Hey everyone, welcome back to Juggling Gym. Today I'm going to show you two intermediate 3-club juggling tricks. First, I'll show you how to do 4-2-3. In 4-2-3, you throw one club high and one club as a regular throw. In 4-4-1, you throw one club high, another club high, and one club across in a horizontal pass. Before learning these tricks with 3 clubs, you should already know how to do them with 3 balls. I put these tricks together because they both involve a 4 throw. And with clubs, that means you're going to do a double throw. And the double throw is going to land in the same hand that threw it. It's really important that you use more arm movement and you keep the same amount of wrist movement as you would for a regular throw. If you catch it upside down, that means you either overspun it or underspun it. If you underspin it, that probably means that you either did not throw it high enough and or you did not use enough wrist movement. If you overspin the club, that either means you threw it too high and or you used too much wrist movement. For 4-4-1, the double goes straight up like you would expect, but for 4-2-3, I like to do the double slightly to the side. The reason I do this is because there tends to be a collision between the outside throw and then the inside throw. Here's the first 2-club exercise for 4-2-3. First, I'm going to throw the white-handled club as a regular throw. Then I'm going to throw the blue-handled club up as a 4 throw. Before the club lands in my hand, I'm going to throw the white-handled club back as a regular throw, and then I'm going to catch the blue-handled club. Again, make sure to tilt the blue club slightly to the side, that way it won't collide with the white club. The next step is to do the same exercise back and forth, alternating which hand you start with. Here's another exercise with 2 clubs. You're going to do a double throw and then a regular throw. Now it's time for 3 clubs. First, just practice going into a cascade and doing a double throw that lands on the outside of the pattern and not the inside. After that, you're basically ready to do the full trick. It's not that much different than doing it with balls. The main problems are going to be with the outside throw colliding with the inside throw. Your doubles will tend to be overspun or underspun. If you're having trouble with the spins, definitely go back and just work on doing double throws all by themselves. Now moving on to our next intermediate trick, 4-4-1. I really like doing 4-4-1 with clubs because it forces your doubles to be consistent. If your doubles are not consistent, then the pattern really falls apart. The first thing to practice is doing the horizontal throw. And when you do the horizontal throw in the full pattern, you can't look at it at all. So you need to practice being able to do this with your eyes closed. And the key to doing that without looking is just doing a very light toss, like it's barely moving. Next, do 4-4-1, starting with your right hand, and collect all the clubs. Then do the same thing, starting with your left hand. For the next 3-club exercise, again, you're going to start from a cascade and do a double throw. But this time, the double throw needs to go on the inside of the pattern. I've tried doing 4-4-1 on the outside of the pattern, and it's a lot harder because the clubs get wider and wider, whereas when you do the double throw on the inside, everything feels tighter. Next, just do 4-4-1 from one hand, and then go back into a cascade. The cool thing about 4-4-1 is that 3 throws of 4-4-1 is the same as 3 regular throws. You can see this because 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9, and 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So if you ever have a trick or a club passing pattern where you do 3 selbs, you can also replace those with 4-4-1. After that, try doing 4-4-1, 4-4-1. So start with your right hand one time. And then start with your left hand the other time. And then when that starts to feel good, you can try running the whole trick. It feels really nice once you get it going. Again, your problems are going to be collisions and double throws. So for the inside throw, make sure that it's sufficiently inside so that you can throw it and not hit anything else. And again, try not to over or underspin your clubs. Thanks so much for watching the video. I know it's been a while since I posted. My life has been pretty busy recently, but I still definitely am making videos, even if I'm not making them all the time. Let me know what other tutorials you want to see. Keep juggling and have fun.